So coming up on December the 31st at purplewave.com, we've got a couple of these 700K LGP Deere dozers that have been converted over to pipe layers. They've got the Midwestern M540 conversion kit on both. Very low utilization hours on both machines. You can tell by looking at the undercarriages here, we've gone through, done our inspections, got pictures, got videos to kind of convey over to you what we've got here. It really is a multifaceted tool. You have your dozer, it has 6 different positions that it works. So you could be on a job and never even use this, and you can go use it as a dozer setup, or you can use it as a side boom setup. But what that does, it allows for you to having to go rent another machine. If you need a dozer, you already have it right here. These 2 machines are very low hour, very light utilization, and they are ready to go to work, and they will be available at the December 31st sale at purplewave.com. So get over there now to get registered, because we don't want you to miss out on these, along with all the other assets that we've got out here coming from a very reputable contractor. Very good service record on the assets, and just really good stuff to roll out to a new home.